Hello folks, Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and as you can tell, romance is in the air. Want to spend a romantic vacation in Orlando during the winter holidays? There is so much to do and see here just for the two of you. So let's dive into date night ideas in Orlando during Christmas. Before we get into that date, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay on top of all the tips and info for your next Orlando vacation. All right, having a vacation in Orlando isn't just for kids. Couples can find lots to do here, especially in the winter. The temperature is cooler and lots of parks and attractions have started the holiday celebrations. If you and your special someone are foodies or love to explore cultures, we highly suggest attending the Epcot's International Festival of the Holidays. Here in the World Showcase, the different countries share how they celebrate the season. There are storytellers that share tales of Father Christmas from the UK and La Befana from Italy. You can try seasonal food like spiced cake and latkes. There is a candlelight processional and lovely decorations. If you are Disney adults, no shame there, we all are in our hearts, you may want to put on your sweater and ears and attend Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. This is a separately ticketed event in the Magic Kingdom. The park is transformed into a winter wonderland. There are seasonal treats and decor. Special meet and greets of Disney characters are all around the park. You can dance at DJ'd dance parties and watch the Holiday Castle show with Elsa and friends. The night ends with a fireworks spectacular that almost surrounds the whole park. If you want to attend something festive but do not have to get an extra ticket, head on over to Universal Studios with your special someone. Here is the Christmas parade featuring Macy's floats. But before the parade, you can ride the movies and see the fun decorations. The Tribute Store has changed over to have specifically themed merch in a festive interior. A larger-than-life tree is in the New York area, and sample some hot butterbeer in Diagon Alley. If you want to do something away from the parks, this is for you. Though most couples would say that the swan boat on Lake Eola is more of a sport than a recreation, this activity is still on the romantic to-do list. Combine the swan boat rental with a progressive dinner at Orlando Farmers Market for a local date that doesn't cost a fortune and still has a romantic impromptu vibe. Or enjoy an early dinner in Thornton Park followed by a sunset rowing tour around the lake. Want to switch things up from a night out on the town? Spend the day exploring the local parks. You will love Lou Gardens and its amazing monthly movie night outdoors. Another option that's worth a drive is Bok Tower Gardens at Lake Wells. Random carry-on bell shows from the Singing Tower offer you and your date the perfect soundtrack for a romantic afternoon. Couples love date night on International Drive. It will be more crowded, but nothing is more romantic than taking a ride on the wheel at Icon Park. It's air-conditioned skyline view where you can have champagne ready to impress your date this winter. And if you plan it right, fireworks are going off at all the theme parks. You might be able to hit that extra date plateau. If you are planning a trip to Orlando for just the two of you, ask about our hotels that are near the attractions so you can relax and not have to worry about transportation. Ask for ones with free shuttles to and from the parks. We can help find ones for a range of prices for your holiday. All right, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning your holiday in Orlando, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.